Are you looking to launch a new project on the blockchain? Look no further than Venify, the ultimate platform for creating a fair launch. Simply follow these easy steps to launch your project and ensure a fair and transparent launch for your community. Go to the top menu of the Venify website and select Create Fairlaunch. Click the Connect Wallet button and select the wallet you wish to use. Scroll down and paste the contract address of your token. Set the parameters for your fair launch, including the total supply and the launch duration. Once the parameters are set, fill out the fair launch details such as logo, website, and any other relevant information about your project. Review the information, click Submit, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. If you need assistance, you can always reach out to the Venify team for help and support. With Venify, creating a fair launch has never been easier.